Good evening. As we did with Dubai, we decided to move the event in Abu Dhabi also by one day to Saturday, so that instead of 30th September, we'll have the event on 1st October. So I will see you in Abu Dhabi on the 1st of October. Those living in Abu Dhabi need not take the pain of traveling to Dubai. We will see you in Abu Dhabi on the 1st of October. Those who want to see me in Abu Dhabi may drop us an email at the address given below or contact us by the WhatsApp number that flashes below. My team will get in touch with you. Thank you. Good evening. It was decided to do an event in Dubai on the 23rd of September. It was a Friday. By popular demand, we have shifted this event to 24th September, the Saturday, so that it would be convenient for you people to attend. So I'll be in Dubai on the 24th of September at 6 p.m. Hope to see you in Dubai. Those desirous of participating in the Dubai event can contact us at the WhatsApp number given below or mail to the email ID given below. We will see you in Dubai. Kindly drop us an email or send a message on the WhatsApp number.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today I thought I'll toss it to Anand so he can hit some softballs to me. I thought I'll talk about his favorite topic about Gautam Adani and the Adani group overtaking the Tatas to become India's most valued conglomerate. What do you think about that, Anand?
They are indeed very valuable today. They have very valuable connections. Except whatever they have bought in Gujarat, Ambuja and ACC, no. And also the fact that they are able to import and sell edible oil. They don't have any consumer facing business at all. So most of their wealth is built on government patronage, like ports.
Government is their biggest customer.
Yeah. So you have like government control pricing and government control supplies. Like they control all the ports.
True.
They control 66 airports. They control electricity supply. This is where most of the money comes. They get favorable terms to supply coal. So all this is working to their advantage at this time.
This is current environment.
And also they hold a lot of their stock.
Which is held with them, yeah.
So there is limited stock on the table for rising, which is free float is very low. All this has contributed to their rise. Like Credit Suisse recently wrote, they have too much debt.
Yes, that's what I want to talk about. Yes.
Their leverage.
Comparing to Tatas and them.
Yeah. No, Tata has a lot of free cash flow.
Yes.
See,
And their debt is also much lower.
Their debt, overall group debt, might be even same. But the fact is, Tata has two companies which have the capability to produce 10,000 crores per quarter. And they are not dependent on government. One is Tata Steel, which does 10,000 some quarters, 8,000 some quarters. But TCS can consistently give 10,000 crores in dollars. And they have two more very profitable companies. One is Tata Consumer and the other is Titan. And they have a bunch of software companies which also do well. Tata Elixir, Tata Unisys and those kind of companies. So overall the Tatas are in a much better position. The only company which is really struggling for them at this moment is Tata Motors, which they will turn around over a period of time.
So this Achilles heels in this whole Adani's enterprises seems to be the government. So as long as the favorable winds are blowing through the government, things are great for them. But if there's any change in the government or the perception of the government, even the same government, forget some other government coming in, even the same government, for some reason, if there's a change in trade winds, it's going to be quite seismic.
It will be seismic. It will also affect their credit rating and their ability to repay. But more than the winds in government changing, the bigger problem for them would be rising a situation where interest rates are rising all the time. Some of the debt they have contracted, if you look at the balance sheet, is at 14 to 15% in dollars. Especially the money they have got from Total in France. Total is a French gas company.
Correct.
So The moment the interest rates start to going up across the globe, it's very early days yet, but interest rates can go another 50% from here. We are between 2.2 to 2.25. Is going to go to 3 on 26 September, can go to 4.5 by March. This will mean the amount of debt that they have, for the amount of debt they have, the interest outgo from them will be phenomenal. They are already highly leveraged. They are already borrowing at a very high pace, high level. Whether they can sustain this debt in a market which is going up is something which is very interesting, because most of their debt is foreign debt and it is opaque. So the very rumor starts to go around that they are not able to sell their debt, it will start to
Unravel.
Yeah, the whole thing can unravel. So this is an empire which is built on debt, on less equity. Tata's also had too much debt in Tata Steel and Tata Motors,
Correct.
and they managed to deleverage,
Correct.
especially in Tata Steel because they had a bumper year in profits, and Tata Motors because they raised a lot of money from PC Chatterjee for their electric venture. So both these Tata groups are flushed with cash. TCS and Titan is delivering free cash flow. So Tatas are safe. The Tatas have a couple of businesses which give free cash flow, as I have explained to you. And their cash flow is not dependent on the munificence of the government. So they will be able to leverage their position and get out of trouble. As far as Adani is concerned, they are not in a business where they can keep increasing costs. If we increase the cost of electricity that you are delivering beyond a point, consumers are going to get onto the streets. So the business which Adani is in primarily is price sensitive. You cannot keep on passing on additional cost to your clients.
Correct.
Whereas Tatas are in businesses which are on the high end, directly consumer facing, and price elastic, in the sense that rising prices will also mean they get more turnover. So, and Tatas also have earnings in US dollars. Their Jaguar Land Rover unit, the Tata consumer brand, TCS, their Maimons and other software companies ensured 65% of Tata's turnover comes in US dollars. Whereas 95% of the earnings
Of
of
Adani's.
Adani's are in rupee. So your borrowings are in dollars,
And your payments are in
your
rupees.
revenues and payments are in rupees. The value of the rupee when it falls
It's going to hurt them very badly.
is going to hurt them very badly.
Anyway, this has been quite interesting to talk about this. I hope you guys found it interesting to find out, compare and contrast on this article of why, just because on paper it says they're bigger than the Tatas, it really doesn't mean much.
He has become the second richest man in
But
the
like
world.
you said, it's not, is it sustainable? We don't know.
We don't know whether it's sustainable.
Correct.
We don't know how he will survive a regime change.
True.
True.
Anyway, thank you, Ivan.
Thank you. Thank you for watching Biraj. If you like the content in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification. If you don't turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for Biraj. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.